Welcome to Ask and Learn.
The two colliding protons as the E1 is equal to K plus mc square and E2 is equal to mc square. Also we can write E1 square is equal to P1 square c square plus m square c to power 4 and P2 is equal to 0. In final state, we can write EF, F represent final, is equal to KF plus MC square is equal to PF square C square plus M square C to power 4. By energy conservation, we can write E1 plus E2 is equal to EF. So, let's take the square from both the side of this equation. So we can write E1 square plus 2E1 E2 plus E2 square is equal to EF square. Let's substitute the equations over here. So we will get P1 square C square plus M square C to power 4 plus 2 K plus MC square into MC square plus M square C to power 4 is equal to PF square C square plus M square C to power 4. By conservation of momentum, we can write Pi is equal to Pf. It means initial momentum is equal to final momentum. So I can write the above equation as Pi square C square plus M square C to power 4 plus 2 K plus MC square into MC square plus M square C to power 4 is equal to PF square C square plus M square C to power 4. Therefore, M square C to power 4 is equal to 2K MC square plus 4M square C to power 4 is equal to 4K M square C to power 4 upon 2MC square plus 4M square C to power 4. Therefore, finally we can write MC square is equal to 2MC square root of 1 plus K upon 2MC square, which is required.